Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2017 Transcraft 36 foot 6 by 102 wide aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, very clean. Beams are in phenomenal shape. This unit's been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. Kingpin plate has been checked and verified. As we come back down the passenger side here, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox. All of our trailers come with brand new tires, refurbed steel rims, brakes and drums have been replaced. Beautiful unit with universal mounting kit. Carries Moffett, Princeton, load back, and many other brands. This aluminum combo is in phenomenal shape. As we come to the driver's side, all brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, refurbed steel outer rim, brand new tires. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our new Load Max 2024s that are available, our used Moffetts and our used Princetons that are available. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.